Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shama and today I'm going to show you how to create an ebook from scratch. So basically, Canva has different templates. There are different styles and formats that you can use, but sometimes you can see that you don't really like the ones that are available. So I'm going to redesign my own template from beginning, and I'm not going to do everything from scratch. I'm just going to select the ones that I really like. So let's get straight into it. So this is the homepage for Canva. If you don't have an account, you can sign up because it's free, except you want to go pro and get a, yeah, a paid version of Canva. So the first thing we are going to do, we're going to create a design. You can either create a design here or go to the more tab here. But let's try this out. So you can say you want A4. I'm just going to search for A4 documents here. Okay, so make sure you select portrait and wait for it to come up. Okay, so this is Canva's layout. So I'm going to show you the book that we are creating, that I'm working on personally, and I'm going to show you how I did this. So I have a table of contents, introduction, chapter, and the end. I'm just going to show you just a bit. I'm not going to show like the whole chapters because it's a long one. So this is the Word document. I already kept it here. You can see how boring this is, but Canva helps you to make it more colorful. So I already created the template here. I already created this, so we're going to redo this again and I show you how to do everything step by step. So first we're going to create the cover, the ebook cover. Then we have table of content, introduction, then chapters. So depending on what you have, you should already have uh, the copy somewhere. So you just be copying and pasting the content. So we're going to start now with the cover. So for some reason, I'm not able to find the same background here. So what I did, I just went to a new page. I opened a new page, then I went here to design. Then I just searched for compass and this came up. So I just changed the name and put my own name here. So because I like this. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to copy this and paste it here. Okay. So you can copy and paste. Just going to resize this. And paste here. You just drag and to whatever size you like. Okay, so it depends on what you like. You can design as much as you want. Okay, so I'm just going to add a new page. So I'm going to put the table of content. So you can just search here for table of content in the templates tab. Then we'll look for one that we like. Okay, I kind of like this, but Okay, I think this will work better because I have a lot. So now I'm just going to modify this. Okay, so you can change the color here, and it's going to select the theme of this template. So the theme of the picture in front, I mean. So I'm going to choose this color because it goes. Then I can change you just do Command A on Mac and Control A on PC. Then you select what font you want. I always just select Monitor Sans. Okay. Then for the top, I want to use a different one. I like Alata. Okay. So I think this is a bit dark. Maybe I can go for something lighter like this. Yes. Alright, so then you can work on this. On this part, you can decide to change as you want. You can delete uh, any part. So for now, what I'm just going to do, just to save time, I'm just going to copy this. Because I have already edited how I want it here. I put all the content. So you look at the content you have, but I will advise not to put numbers here. So I did not put corresponding numbers because it's not yet complete. So at the end when you're done, then you can write the correct numbers for it. So for now I'm just going to copy this page here and paste. I'm just going to copy. Okay, so now I have this. So if you notice that it is too short, you can just duplicate the page, then work on this part as well. So I'm just going to copy this part as well. Okay, so now we have the table of content and we have okay, so we have the table of contents. The next is to add a body. I can just add a body here. Then I look for templates that I like. Say body of content. I don't know, for some reason it thinks it's a table of content. So I can just say ebook here, ebook template. Okay, I like this. I already selected this. So I'm just going to choose this one for the page. Yes. So I will just, here you can just write introduction, introduction here, and delete that if you don't like it. Then up here you can change the alignment. I'm going to put center, then I will take this up a bit. But before I change that, I'm just going to duplicate this page because I need some structure here for the body. So here now I'm just going to reduce this size. Okay, you can make it how you want. Okay, I like this picture here, but I don't really need this. Then I already used ChatGPT to create an introduction. So here you can just use this. Okay, this to copy here. Then just paste. So you can delete this, don't need that part. And some of the bottom as well. Okay, so I'm also going to reduce the size here and put this upwards. Okay. Now leave this up. So just to go with the theme of the book, we can change this part here and say, if I go to elements, here I have different things. I can just write compass. Okay, and now I have a bunch of compasses that I can use. See all. Okay. I think I like this one I used. The one I used, I can't seem to find it. So if you want, you can put it inside here. Then it has this wording here. So for this, I'm just going to change this color to suit the one I used at the beginning. This one. Then I want this to be a different font. Yes. Okay. So now we have that. We have the introduction, and now we can work on the chapters. So here, chapter 1, I'm just going to change this to chapter 1, and also change the font. I like this one. Then I'm going to add the title here. You can duplicate this by selecting it and choosing this button. Okay, then you can write the name of your chapter, the new birth. Ooh. Okay, depends on you. Here you can change the font size to what suits it best, depending on your preference. So now for the body, I don't want this. I don't need a picture here. So I'm just going to put this in the middle and stretch it out. I can put it there and stretch. Just click and stretch it out. So now I'm just going to choose, I'm just going back to this point here. So I have chapter 1 here. I'm just going to copy chapter 1. So I think I'm just going to copy everything so that I don't have to come back here again. Okay, so first let me just change this color to the theme color. Now I'm gonna paste. So it's going to spill, but don't worry. So first now you can change this just to make it nicely formatted. So in this part, I'm just going to speed up the video. All I'm doing is to format the text so that it can fit the different pages of the chapter 1. So you can skip this part and move to the next part. Okay, so I have all the pages. I can add one last page, and that page is just going to be for the closing remarks. So since I still have this here, I'm just going to put, so if you're wondering how you can put a new text, you can just come here and say heading, then you get a new text box like this. So I'm just going to put here the name of the book. Yeah. Oh, but first you have to change the color. I use black. And, navigating the spiritual. Okay, I have this. I still have this white text here. Okay, depending on you how you want it, I'm just going to add this here. Okay, then I need a text. I'm just going to add a body here. Just select body and then write a text. So I use ChatGPT to give me a nice summary, a nice outro. So oops, here I'm just going to paste this text here, Ctrl A and clear it. Then you can change the font. I use no with Nonito Sans. So Okay, so I'll just check the body. So this is 14.6. So I'll change this to, okay, now I want to use 13.6. 13.6. Okay, quickly let me see what I used here. 13.6. Okay, so I will centralize this. Alright, so that'll be my outro. So now let's get back into the book. Now we can make some edits as we want. So I want this to reduce the text. I want it to be 13.6. Then also change the change it to change the alignment to justify. Then here the same. I want it a bit smaller. Then I'm going to change this. I'll do the same here. And the last page as well. So we have this ebook. So we are almost done. The last thing we want to do now, or rather the second to the last thing. So you can see here, I'm just going to, increase this a bit. Okay, so on this point you can actually you can link a text to a page. So when you have the right numbers anyways, you can link this. So just change the link. This was the previous one. So you select what link you want, what page you want. So this is the introduction. The introduction is on page 4. So you link it and it's done. Then also this part, this is in my chapter 1. You can just create a link. Okay, so this is how you do it from scratch. There's going to be this here, more. You select link, then what page you want. I think it started from page 7 or 8, one of them. I think it's page 7. Done. So when you click on it, then you select 7, 9, yeah, what page it is. So this is the page that is linked to it. So I'm just going to change the color here to color of the book. I like that color. Okay, we are nearly done. So the last thing we're going to do now is to add a page number. So to add a page number, you just go to text here, then select page numbers. So you can select what page you want the numbers to be. Here, I don't want it to be in my covered page or my table of contents. So just start from there. So now you can see no page number once you start from here. So when I'm done with all the chapters, then I'm going to update the numbers here, so I know which page starts with what. So yeah, so this here you have it. You have the ebook, you have all the pages. So you just take your time and do the edit. So the next thing we're going to do now is to share it. So before you share, you can see the name here is saying introduction. You can simply just change it. I'm just going to say the title of the book, Creating Your Spiritual Walk with God. Alright, now it changes the name. So when you share, it's going to save in the name of the book. So you go to download, change the file type to the standard, to PDF standard, then you download. Okay, so let's look at it. It's saying 2 because I already have it here. So this is what we just created. You can see there's table of contents and it looks really pretty. So we can test out the link to see if it works. So see, get to the introduction page. You can navigate here. So that's the end of the video. I hope the video helped you. I hope you are able to create uh, an ebook, make it pretty, make it beautiful, because Canva helps you to do all of these things. So if you like this video, please subscribe in the with the subscribe button below, and I see you in the next video. Thank you.